Hey guys, today on Zach's Garage we're going to be comparing my old exhaust on this pickup, which was Dual 40 series Flowmasters, and my new exhaust, which will be Dual Borla Pro XS's. So the setup on the pickup is it's a small block Chevy 350. It's got long tube headers with 2.5-inch exhaust back to the Borlas, which are 3-inch in and 3-inch out. The Flowmasters were 2.5 in and 2.5 out. As far as like comparison, I only have a hot idle video of the Flowmaster 40 series and a 35 hard acceleration to maybe 55, 60. So it would be unfair to do more with the Borla versus the Flowmaster, so I'll just do 2 videos a piece. I do notice quite a bit of difference. You can't really hear it, but the drone with the Borlas is non-existent compared to the chambered mufflers. The Borlas are straight through stainless. They sound great in my opinion, a lot quieter. So in my opinion, the Borlas are a lot better than the Flowmasters for my setup, but I'll give you a little comparison of both, and you can choose which one you like. I will say it's quite a bit easier to talk and drive in this thing with like my wife or a friend or someone. It's not as droney. Those two, I think the 40 series are 2-chambered, and they drone quite a bit. And I mean, on a cold start, it would just rattle the house, even parked 30 feet away or so. And I'm sure my neighbors love me because the job I have, I get up at 4 a.m. quite a bit for work, and in the winter, I imagine cold starts are not the favorite of them. So the Borlas are a lot more neighbor friendly, kid friendly. I got a newborn baby at the house. Well, she's not newborn anymore, but she's only 6 months. So it's I'm not waking her up when I head to work in the mornings. It's a lot easier to talk to my wife if we go on a date and take this old beater. Just all around, I enjoy the Borlas a lot more. In the future, I may end up going with some just stock manifolds, try to quiet down it even a little more. I forgot to mention earlier that both exhausts are dumped right before the front axle. They were on this 40 series, and they are on the Borlas as well. I don't know if I ran them out the back, it'd quiet it down a little bit more as well, but that's what we've got running. And that's the video for today. At the end, there will be a subscribe button and a link to an older video. Click either one. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 50. We're doing a giveaway right now. Once we hit 50, we'll give away a billet rear view mirror. There's a video up about it. If you watch that, it'll give you all the details on how to win. So go ahead and do that. Try to put a comment down, try to win, and we're going to ship that out free of charge. And hopefully you'll be the winner.